All right, Vic Avery with the big 184 win. Wrestlebacks against Ville Heino of Campbell, 8-3. Vic, I know it was an emotional day for you, but the big important thing is you're going to stay on for one more day. So just go through your process and everything of how the day went.
Well, there's not much to say. Didn't come ready the first round, and guy took advantage of it. So it is what it is. I'm just trying to not think about it until Saturday night, and just one match at a time.
And was there anything from your first event today that you were able to take a page from in preparation for this one?
Not really. Just be a little bit more ready, you know. Be ready to go no matter if the guy's supposed to be good or not. They come ready to wrestle, and if you're feeling crappy and off your game and things stop going your way, they start going his way. 7 minutes is a short amount of time, so you know sometimes you find yourself in a hole. But just trying to get my head around it right now, you know.
So, and then your preparation for tomorrow, what's going through your mind?
Well, right now I got another match, and you know, I got to win that to make tomorrow, and then what's going through my mind is make weight and refuel and just try to get better each time, wrestle harder each time, you know.
All right, thanks, Vic. We'll catch up with you later.
Yep.